안녕하세요, Rosie. Introduce yourself in Korean first.
안녕하세요. 저는 13살 초등학교 5학년 여수입니다.
Okay, so Rosie already done her assignment in Gugudan. So, ready na?
Fighting.
Okay. 5 times 9.
45.
8 times 3.
24.
4 times 9.
36.
7 times 5.
35.
6 times 3.
18.
8 times 6.
48.
6 times 7.
42.
9 times 8.
72.
4 times 5.
20.
3 times 4.
12.
Okay, you pass.
감사합니다.
Okay. Bye-bye, Rosie.
Bye-bye.
So, you already pass. 안녕하세요, Tantan. Introduce yourself in Korean first.
안녕하세요. 저는 14살 초등학교 1학년 단단입니다.
So, Tantan already done his assignment in Gugudan. 30 times nilang? Okay. 30 times. So, ready na?
Fighting.
Okay. 8 times 4.
32.
5 times 3.
15.
8 times 9.
72.
9 times 6.
54.
7 times 3.
21.
8 times 4.
32.
9 times 5.
45.
6 times 8.
48.
3 times 6.
18.
Okay, very good, Tantan. You pass! Okay, 감사합니다, Tan.
감사합니다.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Good morning, Chan.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
So I am going to check your work, which is the multiplication 30 times. And what have I seen? It's only up to 2. And it's already deadline. You know the consequences, right? So sige, buhat ni mo, what are you doing those times na nagkuanta, nagsabot ta nga mag-answer ka or magsulat ka ani? Nagunsa day ka? What happened?
Mangita sa mo ato nawa. Doon na rin mga arak siya.
So wala ka nangita sa classroom, nara kasi pangita sa inyo.
Ngita ko si pare din.
And di ba Teacher Vivian told you, no? Ganyan ba, di ba? Na if you failed to write 30 times multiplication, you will be removed in the class. So I'm going to pass this to Teacher Teacher Vivian, and Teacher Vivian will evaluate you regarding with this. If you will able to continue or you will be terminated inside the classroom. Kasabot, wala ka nagtiwas nara ka 3 pa ka. And I already told your mom regarding with this. And it's your responsibility, not ours. So ako na sa Teacher Vivian na bahala niya, okay? Good morning, Precious.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
Alright, so I'm going to scan your notes regarding on writing the 30 multiplication. So you are done. So for us to allow you to enter again in the class, I will ask you 5 questions of multiplication for you to pass. So 4 times 4.
4 times 4, 16.
4 times 8.
4 times 8 is 32.
3 times 5.
3 times 5 is 20.
4 times 6.
4 times 6 is 24.
8 times 8.
8 times 8 is 70, 64.
2 times 7.
2 times 7 is 14.
7 times 3.
7 times 3 is 25.
7 times 2.
7 times 2, 14.
8 times 4.
8 times 4, 32.
So I'm gonna send this to Teacher Vivian, and Teacher Vivian will evaluate your videos. Okay, goodbye for now, precious.
Bye.